Hello my dear Art Mami, this is Venkatesh here, and in this video I am going to be taking one of my students' artwork and I am going to paint over it and show you my thought process on how I create portrait paintings. Many of you asked me about portrait paintings, so here is the video for you. Watch it till the end to see every little nuance, every little thing that I do, so that you are also able to create portraits which look beautiful. This is a segment from the live sessions that we do inside of Artma Creative Society, which is a program that I run. You get a glimpse of what happens inside the art program that we run. With that said, let's jump right into the video. So let me go ahead first open up this particular file only, and इसके अंदर मैं देखता हूँ what has his approach been. He has created like layer on top of one another. सबसे पहले तो created the base for the face, which is actually the construction, right? And then on top of that he has added base colors. Base colors मतलब values को उन्होंने split किया है. Wait. What do I mean by values? No, not this kind of values, but values which are an art fundamental. Basically, any artwork or image that you look at has different levels of lightness and darkness. If you turn an image into black and white, you will be able to see that there are different grays that are present from very, very white to absolutely black. This is the value scale. From 0 to 10, you can see the different grades of values that are present in any image. There is a very, very bright value here. Then there is dark values on one side. There is dark values here also. And then यहाँ पे mid tones हैं, थोड़ी highlights हैं. Now, on top of this, he has blended those values. इसके बाद he has added some details for the eyes, and then some more, I think, details for the lips are there on another layer altogether. And then on top of that, he has added hair. I'm like making one more layer on top of this. Overall value distribution में there are some pieces in this piece which are probably darker than the darkest areas in this particular image. I'll go ahead and pick the color for the skin tone. जो darkest area है उसको थोड़ा dark कर देता हूँ मैं, and I'm going ahead and very broadly blocking in the shadow parts. And इस साइड में आप देख पा रहे होंगे ये काफी डार्क है, यानी कि वो shadow साइड में है, तो फिर ये जो पार्ट हो गया वो ऑलमोस्ट एज डार्क एज द डार्केस्ट एरिया है. इसका मतलब है कि ये जो नोज का बीच वाला ब्रिज है जो कि इस साइड और इस साइड को सेपरेट करता है, इस साइड भी लाइट पहुंचेगी ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन से. दैट मींस दैट दिस इज इन द फ्रंट. ये थोड़ा आगे आ रहा है. दिस इज कमिंग टू द फ्रंट अ लिटिल बिट. तो अगर आप डार्कनेस को दिखाओगे, अगर इफ यू कवर इट अप, आई एम पुशिंग इट बैक इनटू द शैडो, जिसकी वजह से ऑटोमेटिकली फिर से नोज का स्ट्रक्चर आप देख रहे हो. जस्ट बिकॉज आई रिमूव दैट ब्राइटर पार्ट व्हिच इज काइंड ऑफ प्रोट्रूडिंग आउट वहां से. आपको पता है कि देयर इज अ कार्टिलेज बोन इन द फ्रंट व्हिच इज राउंडेड एंड इट इज फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स द लाइट, सो वहां पर एक शाइन आती है. आई एम गोइंग टू गो अहेड एंड डू द सेम थिंग. अगर नोज का स्ट्रक्चर आप देखो, नोज का स्ट्रक्चर कैसे होता है, ऐसा कुछ है. तो देयर इज अ पार्ट व्हिच इज द साइड ऑफ द नोज. दिस टर्न राइट हियर कैचेस सम हाईलाइट. देयर इज अ लाइन हियर जो कि डिवाइड कर रहा है दिस द साइड एंड दिस इज द फ्रंट. नोज के इनर साइड पर भी we have an area which is kind of darker. So look at the cheek the way it is on this side. Let me go ahead and show you the direction. Are you able to see? And if you know the planes of the face, you probably understand this. यहाँ पे cheekbone बाहर निकल रही है, jaw में थोड़ा सा अंदर की ओर, cheeks अंदर जा रही हैं. यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? It has become completely rounded like this. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead pick the color from the nearby area. मैं cut कर रहा हूँ इसको. I'm just making sure that अभी आपको शायद दिख रहा है वो form under the chin. Yeah, this is like a dark area. Outside of that also, यहाँ पर आप देख पा रहे हो there is a very small thin line. I don't know if you noticed that. Light is coming hitting here and it is reflecting back again. No, it reflects back. Are you able to see that there is a thin line here? jaw को भी मैं shape change कर रहा हूँ. Look at this. Look at the way the jaw shape is. It is not a round like this. What you have done, your jaw is like this. It's like the general shape is like this. You'll be able to see that ये ऐसे आता है, ऐसे आके नीचे आता है, and then it curls like this. Lips में भी आप देखो, value distribution देखते हैं. If I pick like a dark color like this, right, and I have to observe lips के अंदर ये पार्ट तो काफी डार्क होना चाहिए ना. If you go by the same lighting conditions, ये काफी डार्क है. If I have to pick this darkness also, then this also has to be fairly dark. And then you go ahead and come here, shadow line for the lower part of the lip. What I'm seeing here is the eyes are something that you need to again very, very differently from what you have done, I would say. तो मैं सबसे पहले क्या करूँगा? I'll to first go ahead and remove these things away because देयर इज सम एरर्स विद द प्यूपिल आल्सो, तो मैं वो हटा रहा हूँ पूरी तरह से. ऐड लाइक द डार्क पार्ट्स इनसाइड द आई, इससे थोड़ा सा डार्कर होगा एंड थोड़ा सा इन द रेड जोन होगा, येलो जोन होगा. आई विल गो अहेड एंड ऐड द डार्कर पार्ट्स फर्स्ट. So there is a shadow at the top, which is something that you had got right, but overall value of the eye probably was not fitting in well. Far side of the eye है वो डार्क है काफी. यहाँ पे देखो कितना डार्क है. Look at this. ये देखो, इसको आप white बोलोगे, it is not even close to white. Let me go ahead and add the darker parts on this side. Now I'm going to go ahead and place the iris. I hope iris is what it's called. मैं हमेशा iris और pupil में confuse करता हूँ. Now also if you look at the values for the eyelid, top पर यहाँ पर this is supposed to be brighter. If you look at this region, can you see that there is bright spot here and then there is a brighter region like a triangle here. I'm not seeing that bright spot anywhere. और वो पूरा सामने की ओर आ रहे हैं. ये जो आपने आई का शेप बनाया है, on left side also, right side also, you have just given them rounded shape like this. ऐसा नहीं है. If you see the shape of the eye, then you will be able to notice that ये eye का जो opening है, it comes something like this. It goes out like that. Can you notice that? अगर यहाँ पर ये बॉल है तो पहले से हमने जो सीखा हुआ है आई का शेप ऐसा ऊपर एक और नीचे एक ऐसे बनाते हैं ना, उसकी वजह से हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो आप लोग देख पा रहे होंगे द शेप्स ऑफ द आई, बोथ ऑफ देम आर नॉट इक्वल. दे आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू बी इक्वल ऑन बोथ साइड्स एनीवे. Are you able to see this part right here that there is a bright spot again? So those things are missing. उनको भी हम observe करते हैं और उनको भी लेके आते हैं. Go ahead and add that bright part here somewhere. There is a small spot here. वो क्यों आता है? क्योंकि there is, आपका माउथ ऐसा है कि इसके बाहर से मसल निकलती है, right? There is a muscle padding around it, जिसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा कॉर्नर में हमेशा there is a spot which is to be always paid attention to. If I just add this one small mark like that, ये ब्राइट है, ये ब्राइट है, बीच में थोड़ा सा डार्क हो रहा है. Why is that happening? Because हमारे lips ऐसे बाहर से कर्व्ड रहते हैं और बीच में थोड़ा सा. If you see, there is a very small highlight that I added here on the lip. Now if you see that again, if I zoom out, you'll be able to see that it looks like the lip is pointing towards the front a little. Coming to the eyebrows, I'll simply go and paint over this like this. At the same time, this area right here, you are able to see that there is a forehead का part which catches light from the front. So for that reason, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, there is a line something like this, and then it comes out like this. This line, and it not protrudes out like this. वो protrusion अगर आपको दिखाना है, there is a brighter region here. पर इसको थोड़ा सा bright कर देता हूँ. Eyes को अगर आप observe करें कभी भी, eyes have like a corner which is always dark. The middle part usually is the different color. अगर आपका black eyes है तो it obviously is completely black. But if you observe any eyes, yeah, look, देखो, center में black है, edges पर dark है, तो अगर आप बस उसको indicate करोगे ना, you don't have to do the entire heavy lifting of doing all the small details. You don't have to do all that. Just go ahead, add a little bit of that highlight or the brighter region somewhere around there, right? And on the other side also, like थोड़ा सा और dark होगा compared to this side. And then you go and take the dark color for the center part of the eye. This does like 80% of the job for you. तो आप देख पा रहे हैं अभी in the gray region, I just added like that small amount of brighter parts and then the black part that I've added right in the center of. Yeah. Hair के लिए fundamental flaw in doing hair number 1 is don't do hair like lines like this. What you have to do instead, ये पूरा एक शेप मानकर can we get the values to be right? तो पहले तो डार्क लेता हूँ इसको. I'm going to go and paint over this something like this. Now I will go and pick some reddish shade like this and I will see whichever are the bright regions in this and I'll try to get the values for that right first. Not bothered about showing all the hair strands at this stage. For instance, if I pick this color from here and I go and take some amount of that color into the hair, it looks like there is a transition happening from skin to hair. After this, I went ahead and added a little bit of a tweak to the color of the skin tone here and there and added some finishing touches. If you enjoyed this breakdown and paint over video, make sure that you comment below about your thoughts and also give this video a huge like. Enjoy the before and after.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain.